So today in this video class we are going to see the quality in construction. So in the previous video we have seen the safety in construction. It may be electrical or some accidents or falling of materials at a certain height. Those all are the some examples of the accidents which will occur at the construction site, and today we are going to see the quality in construction. So basically the quality is the pillar of the project. Deliver process is the management of the quality of the product, or you can say service a construction company provides. Okay, so the term quality implies that a product or deliverable is fit for the intended purpose. Whatever the work we are doing, that work should be gives the satisfaction to the customer or any kind of services. Okay, so fitness normally involve quality means normally what will it will involves, it involves criteria like performance, safety, reliability and easy handling, and apart from easy handling, maintainability and no harmful environmental impacts. So we need to maintain these some criteria while producing or while constructing any kind of civil work. Okay, so in construction quality is defined as the meeting or exceeding the requirements or established in the design documents. Whatever the design documents we are getting at the initial stage, so that design we need to maintain while executing the our work. Okay, so this is the means importance of quality in construction. So basically 3 points we need to follow while maintaining the quality. Doing the things right the first time means whatever the work we need to do, whatever the work, whatever the project we are carrying, that project should be properly done at the right time only. Okay, once it is constructed and later we came to know that it is not according to design criteria, then we need to demolish that work, and next once again we need to construct according to design. Like this means there may be chances of wastage of material and money, time, resource power, manpower, all those things. So better we need to do the things right the first time. Okay, next preventing the things from going wrong. Whatever the work we are doing, that work should be go according to specification and designs which provided at the initial stage. So there may if something wrong is happen at the construction site, means what will happen, it will continue for the further work also. Then continually improving the process. Whatever the work we are doing, we need to improve step by step. So basically quality control, the designer or manufacturer and contractor must ensure that minimum quality standards are met and maintained here. So who all are will be the involving in maintaining the quality control? Designers, manufacturer, contractor. Okay, these all people are the very important while maintaining the quality in a particular project. Okay, they must make sure that the building will perform as required and expected by its owner and occupants. Okay, so basically what will happen in a construction of civil structures, if suppose I am the owner, so I have some ideas how will be my home, how much bedroom I need, how much veranda area I need, what all are with the windows and doors we need. So this will be my basic plan. So this plan will be explained in front of the engineer. Then engineer according to my plan he will prepare the one basic layout. Okay, so based upon my idea he will prepare the plan. Okay, so according to plan, once the plan is finalized, then later that design engineer will carry the design work. Okay, so how much material will require, what will be the costing of that completion of whole project, all those things. So while doing the designing and planning, he need to contact owner. Okay, because whatever the work we are doing, that is according to the owner wish. Okay, so these are the all about the involvement of the parties in while maintaining the control. The contractor must develop and implement a quality program for all the phases of the work. Means whatever the work we are doing, that will be has to maintain quality from the first stage to the it's a finishing stage. If I say first stage, cleaning of site, from there to the finishing level, means once again it's a clearing of site at the finishing level, or you can say the plastering or surface finishing. So up to that stage we need to maintain the quality of the work. Then contractor must be responsible to assure the quality of work, both design and construction. Okay, yes, at the design stage and at the construction stage, only one person who involved is contractor. Okay, he will be the responsible for whole thing, and it must compile at all time with the requirement and standards for the in the set forth in the contract. Okay, whatever the standards and specification and design mentioned in the documentation, according to that documentation only work has to be carried out in the site. Okay, this thing has to be maintained by contractor only. Then the client representative have the right to conduct verification, oversight, inspection, audit, sampling and testing and independent assurance. So basically quality control means quality at the construction site will be carried out in the three process. So one is the quality planning, next one quality assurance, and third one is the quality control. Okay, so in the quality planning or quality assurance, quality planning, so it guides the future quality activities and it sets the requirements and standards to be met and the actions necessary to meet them. Means future quality activities, what all are the qualities need to complete that particular project. So it will be decided at the first stage only, that is in the quality planning. Okay, so establishing a quality plan as a part of the project master plan for the projects, and project often employ quality standards that already exist in the organization, such as the ISO 9001 standards. Means by using the ISO 9001 standard, he need to set the some quality activities which will be useful in the future. And in the quality assurance, what will you do? The project quality assurance relate to the execution of the project quality management plan. Whatever the plan has been done in the first stage, so that plan will be executed in the second stage, that is quality assurance, in the quality assurance. So ISO 9000 quality assurance. Okay, so here in the quality assurance with respect to the construction industry, quality assurance activities includes all those planned and systematic administrative and surveillance functions, so initiated by project owner to ensure that the completed structures will fulfill the desired purpose efficiently. Okay, so quality assurance procedure for discovering defects and deficiency before and during the execution of work. So quality assurance is nothing but it will execute the quality plan. Okay, and it will find the some defects and deficiency before and during the execution of the work. It is the quality assurance. So example, if say quality assurance has been accomplished by checking the concrete before it is installed in the final resting place, you can say here that one. Okay, next one, coming to the quality control. So quality control is nothing but it ensures that a quality assurance activities are performed according to quality plans. Whatever the quality plans are established in the first stage, that will be executed in the quality assurance. In the quality control, whatever the work is executed in the quality assurance, that should be according to the plans. So it will maintain the standards. So it will verify the work with respect to the standard design and specifications. Okay, so procedure for evaluating completed activities of work for overall confirmation. If I take one example, so quality control of concrete is a slump test indicating the concrete meet a specific requirement. Okay, so control during construction and control before starting a project. So control before starting a project, what kind of work they will do? So verification of bearing capacity with respect to the design load, or verification of the design with respect to the job requirement. Okay, in the control during construction, what they will do in the quality control? Execution of work as per specifications and testing of other construction materials as per ISI standards. So these all are the about quality assurance and quality control. So quality is nothing but we need to maintain the satisfaction of the customer. Okay, so once our product is ready, after that whether the who are using that or who are occupying that product, whether the people are satisfied or not with our product, that thing we need to maintain. Okay, so basically quality in construction we are maintaining in three ways: quality planning, quality assurance and quality control. Quality planning means we will decide at the initial stage only what all are the future quality activities required. Okay, and in the quality assurance they will find out the or discover the deficiency or defects at the quality planning and while doing the execution of work also. And coming to the quality control will verify the standards. Whatever the executed work is there, that work will be verified with the standards. That is the quality control. So this is all about the quality in construction.